Today we're going to paint this medium depth crankbait from Sugartit Custom Lures. This is a 4-inch bait and it comes pre-primed in white, so that takes one of my steps out of painting. Let's get started. The first color I'm going to apply to the lure is a fluorescent chartreuse. I'm going to put a couple layers on the lure just to make sure that the color is as vibrant as possible. Next, I'm going to add some blush to the cheeks with detailed orange. I decide to use the detailed orange on the belly as well. For the back, I'm just going to do a simple strip of opaque black. I'll also use the opaque black to darken the eyes. I have a stencil that I use to make the ear of the bluegill, so I'm going to use the detailed black and make the ear on this lure. I don't have any documentation for this lure, so I measure the eye to get the right size. The measurement appeared to be 8 millimeters, but I only have a 7 millimeter eye, so I'll apply that. After adding the superglue on this side, I let it sit for too long before applying the eye and it created a bump, so I ended up having to apply the eye again later on. Here I'm looking to see why the eye isn't sitting flat. I measure both parts of the epoxy evenly and then mix for 5 minutes. I try to be as careful as possible while applying the epoxy so I don't create bubbles. If you do get bubbles, you can usually hit them with a lighter or a torch to make them pop. The lures are on the spinner spinning for about 3 hours and then they'll dry for 24 hours. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.